Good morning, everyone.
Hello.
Thank you for joining us again today for the new year of 2018.
Scary stuff, hey?
Yeah, it is scary stuff. So I hope you've had a really nice start to the year. We're going to get cracking into the next lot of questions that has been sent to us by a few viewers.
Wonderful.
So you go first, Jackie.
Okay, I shall ask away. All right, so Earl E. Bird, not horrible,
It's not a bad one.
asks,
Early bird.
we have been searching for a rental for a few weeks and we have a Labrador dog. Why do some properties not allow pets? I think this is probably best for me to answer, but
yeah.
I think the biggest thing is probably education for owners. Us being able to give an owner guidance about it's not just about the dog or the pet for that matter, it's about the tenant and the applicant. So it's very important for owners to understand that tenants shouldn't be based on their pet, they should be based on their application. So it's very important to know that a 12-year-old Labrador, for example, with 10 out of 10 rental references as a tenant, why should they not be considered for a property? Maybe it doesn't have fencing, sure, you can understand that, but if it's fenced, we need to educate owners that we want to open that market up to as many people as possible to get them the best possible rent. So if an agent's not telling that information, then it's actually doing them a disservice.
Yeah. And obviously it's obvious that you're not going to want, say, a large dog in a unit or a townhouse.
Correct.
Either. And if there's a place where there's no room for the dog to play, and you know,
so it can be dependent on properties for sure.
Yeah.
But if there's ability to have a pet, then you should always have it on application.
Okay, well, that's good.
Okay.
So I hope that answers that question for you. Thank you for sending it in. Our last question today is, what did you get up to over the Christmas and New Year holiday? That's a nice question. Stephen and I, and we went with my dad and my uncle on a 10-day cruise to New Zealand.
Awesome.
We did that, it was lovely. And we did that just before Christmas and then got back and haven't stopped work too much, a little bit over the Christmas New Year period, caught up with a lot of friends, ate too much, drank too much. So we are on...
the same with a lot of us. The suit is not quite fitting.
The skirt was a bit tight to put on this morning, but anyway, you know. What did you do?
I didn't really get up to too much. I went to the coast for a couple of days and just saw family and did 2 Christmases, but my family and Kate's family. But apart from that, kept it pretty quiet. We've got our wedding coming up, which is exciting. So just trying to save all the hours and everything for that.
Yeah.
So.
And weddings are not cheap.
No, they're not. So we couldn't really afford to go anywhere. But
Weddings are never cheap.
Yeah. So that's not much, but it was good to sort of just stop a little bit and just relax and try and revamp.
Yeah, well, that's good. Well, thank you for watching us again today. And I also should mention a big thanks to the guys here at Walton's Pantry who are letting us do a few of these episodes out the front of their beautiful cafe. And it's a lovely day today, so thank God it's not too hot, which is good. Anyway, we'll see you next week.
Thank you. See ya.